Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto.
In yesterday's video, I highlighted a key level around 117,200. That area lit up on the 3-day heat map, and today we tapped right into it before attempting 2 pushes higher toward 119,200. Both attempts failed. We are now right back at 117,200, which also happens to be the apex of the triangle we outlined earlier this week. While I had hoped to see a clear move through 120,000 and possibly even 122,000, both visible on the same heat map, the price action stalled before reaching those levels. This range we are in now is critical. I am still holding a sizable long from an entry close to 118,000, but I need to be honest, this structure is now looking fragile. When I check the current 3-day liquidation heat map again, what stands out is the growing concentration of leveraged positions just above current prices. This often suggests that participants are aggressively betting on continuation upward. And historically, when this happens, we tend to dip first. The area between 117,000 and 116,300 is now packed. That might be the next destination before any meaningful upward move. The probability of this happening? Quite high. Zooming out, we can check the 1-week heat map. It reveals 122,100 as the most active level midterm. This tells me the bigger structure could include a short-term dip, followed by a grind or snap toward that target. Now here's something curious. The average July performance historically sits at plus 9.54%. At the time of this recording, we are exactly at that figure. Holding 117,200 for the next 6 days could mark the month as average, but of course anything can happen. This number is more of a curiosity than a signal. On the institutional front, Bitcoin spot ETF flows have been underwhelming this week, until today. On July 23rd, even with BlackRock reporting plus 142.6 million, the day still closed net negative at minus 85.8 million. Today, we are already at plus 194.2 million, and BlackRock's numbers are not even included yet. Despite the sideways price action, it's shaping up to be a strong inflow day from large players. As always, I'll continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord if you want real-time updates and thoughts throughout the day. If this video gave you value, click the like button. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to never miss an update.
And see you in the next one.